Hey, this is Fred Van Allen, First Team Real Estate Christie's, and we have a great event going on today. I'd like you to see what President of Pomona Heritage, Megan Gerhardt, has to say. So Megan, tell me what's going on here today.
Today is our 20th anniversary of the Old Home Restoration Workshop.
Really, 20 years? Oh my gosh.
We've been doing this for 20 years. This has been a completely free event the entire time.
Wow.
This is for the community of Pomona. We've got lots of beautiful old homes here, and anyone who happens to live in an old home can come by today, or anyone who's interested in living in an old home, and learn more about how to take care of it, how to preserve it.
So it sounds like we're going to have a bunch of expert panelists.
We have
or speakers.
A lot of experts. We've got people who are coming to speak on gardening. Someone named Dawn Van Allen, maybe you've heard of her, is going to come and talk about backyard orchard culture, which is awesome. We have people who are coming to talk about the citrus pest that is coming into Southern California and how to prevent.
Okay, I heard somebody's going to be here talking about chickens.